Yeah, hello children. Now I will explain about the laws of exponents. First exercise anyhow completed in the last exercise, last video. So now a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay. First we will discuss about this formula. I'll take one example for this. Suppose 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2. That means 2 you write 3 times. Okay. Here 2 you write 2 times. This is 3 times and this is 2 times. Okay. So how much this total is? 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So this can be written as, therefore 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 is nothing but 3 plus 2, 2 to the power 5. So from this we noticed this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal a to the power m plus n. Okay. Next formula, exponent of exponent. a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So here now will I will explain with the example here also. Suppose 3 square whole cube. So 3 to the power 2 into 3. How much? 3 to the power 6. Actually this is the answer. Okay. This one also we can prove in another way. Like 3 square whole cube, no? So 3 square how many times? 3 times. Because the whole power is 3, 3 times. Now in the bracket 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 3 to the power of 6. Okay. So this is the formula we notice from the example. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal a to the power m into n, that is a to the power n. This is the second formula. Okay. Next, one more formula. A to the power m into b to the power m. This is ab whole to the power m. Okay. And now an example for this also. Suppose 2 to the power 3. This one 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3. Then this 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. We can write like this. Or 2 into 3, 6 whole to the power 3. Okay. So this is the formula and one example for that third formula. Next one more. Fourth one. A to the power minus n is equal 1 by a to the power n. So for this example, suppose 2 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Okay. And now one more is there, fifth one, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So a to the power 0 is nothing but, suppose we'll go with an example. What is a to the power is equal to 1? Suppose this can be written as 2 to the power 2 minus 2. What is this? 2 to the power 0 only, no? So in reverse, this can be written as 2 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 2. So this is how much? 2 1 2 square. 2 square is how much? 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So 2 to the power 0 is equal 1. Okay. Actually, this formula I will explain you now what exactly it derives. So sixth one, a to the power m minus n is equal a to the power m a to the power n. Based on this formula, here I have explained you 2 to the power 2 minus 2, just an example, which is equal to 2 to the power 0. So in return, this can be written as 2 square by 2 square, which is 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Answer is 1. That means 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. This is nothing but a to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay. And this is one more formula. A to the power m minus n equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. Suppose an example. 3 to the power 4 minus 3. If suppose the example is, then 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 3. What does it mean? So 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is left? 3. So this is also 4 minus 3 is equal to what? 3 or 1. So 3 to the power 4 minus 3 is what? 3 to the power 1. Correct? So 3 to the power 4 minus 3 is equal 3 to the power 1. That means these two are equal. How? 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 3. By expanding method and after cancellation, we are also getting 3 to the power 1. So what we have proved is a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. Okay. Next. These are 6, one more 7. Yeah, last one. These 7 formulae are very, very important. A by b whole to the power m equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Okay. For this also I'll explain you one example. P by q whole to the power of 6 means we can also, okay, according to the procedure, p by q whole to the power of 6 means p by q we will write 6 times. P by q, p by q, p by q, p by q, p by q. Okay. And now numerator we will write p 6 times. Denominator q 6 times. Okay. What does it give? P to the power 6 by q to the power 6. Okay. Therefore, p by q whole to the power of 6 is equal to p to the power 6 by q to the power 6. Okay. These 7 formulae are very important for this next exercise.